What was the childhood name of Gautama Buddha? Answer is Siddhartha. Where did Lord Buddha attain enlightenment? At Bodh Gaya. In which script is Punjabi language written in India? Gurumukhi. Which is the southernmost edge of the mainland of India? Answer is Kanyakumari. In which state does the sun first enter India? Arunachal Pradesh. Insulin is used in the treatment of which disease? Answer is diabetes. Night blindness is caused by deficiency of which vitamin? Answer is vitamin A. Which vitamin is found in amla in plenty? Answer is vitamin C. Who was the first British Governor General of India? Answer is William Bentinck. In which country was paper invented? In China, 712 AD. Who founded the Arya Samaj? Swami Dayananda Saraswati. Who is the Supreme Commander of the Armed Forces in India? Answer is President. Bihu is the famous festival of which state? Answer is Assam. Pongal is the festival of which state? Answer is Tamil Nadu. Who invented television? Answer is J.L. Baird. Who was the first female ruler of India? Answer is Razia Sultana. With what does the fish breathe? Answer is gills. Who gave the slogan Inquilab Jindabad? Answer is Bhagat Singh. When and where did the Jallianwala Bagh massacre take place? 1919 AD, Punjab, Amritsar. Which party was founded by Subhash Chandra Bose after leaving the Congress in 1939 AD? Answer is Forward Bloc. Who is called Punjab Kesari? Answer is Lala Lajpat Rai. Who murdered John Sanders? Answer is Bhagat Singh. Who gave his sacrifice first in rebellion of 1857 AD? Answer Mangal Pandey. Who was the first woman governor of India? Answer is Sarojini Naidu. Who was the first woman to climb Mount Everest twice? Answer is Santosh Yadav. Brahma Samaj was founded by whom? Answer is Rajaram Mohan Rai. What was the original name of Swami Dayananda Saraswati? Answer is Mula Shankara. Who gave the slogan Back to the Vedas? Answer is Dayananda Saraswati. Who founded the Ramakrishna Mission? Answer is Swami Vivekananda. When did Vasco da Gama come to India? Answer is 1498 AD. Vasco da Gama was from which country? Answer is Portugal. Where is Hawa Mahal located? Answer is Jaipur. Which Sikh Guru is considered the founder of Sikhism? Answer is Guru Nanak. Which is the main festival of Sikhs? Answer is Baisakhi. Which great man is called Iron Man? Answer is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Which great man is called Netaji? Answer is Subhash Chandra Bose. What is the name of the Samadhi of Lal Bahadur Shastri in Delhi? Answer is Vijay Ghat. Who is the author of Mahabharata? Answer is Maharshi Vedvyas. Who wrote a book called Ardhashastra? Answer is Chanakya, Kautilya. Who gave the slogan Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan? Answer is Lal Bahadur Shastri. Who was the permanent speaker of the Constituent Assembly? Answer is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Who was the chairman of the drafting committee of the Constituent Assembly? Answer is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. On which date is the World Red Cross Day celebrated? Answer is May 8th. Which country is famous as country of sunrise? Answer is Japan. It is called as the land of rising sun. On which date is the International Women's Day celebrated? March 8th. Which is the smallest state in India in terms of area? Answer is Goa. Onam is the famous festival of which state? Answer is Kerala. When did Delhi became the capital of India? 1911. Which is the brightest planet? Answer is Venus. Which is the national animal of India? Answer is tiger. Which is the national bird of India? Answer is peacock. Which is the national aquatic organism of India? Ganga River dolphin. What is the ratio in length and width of the national flag of India? Answer is 3:2. Who wrote the national anthem of India? Answer is Rabindranath Tagore. Which is the national anthem of India? Answer is Jana Gana Mana. Which is the national song of India? Answer is Vande Mataram. Who wrote the national song of India? Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Who said Mahatma Gandhi, the father of nation, first? Answer is Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Which is our national calendar? Answer is Saka calendar. What is the duration of singing the national anthem? 52 seconds. Who discovered radioactivity? Answer is Henry Becquerel. Which part of the body is related to pacemaker? Answer is heart. What is the study of the human body called? Human anatomy. What is the purest form of carbon? Answer is diamond. Who invented X-rays? William Ronston. Which metal was first used by humans? Answer is copper. What does the outer sky look like to astronauts? Black. What does the outer sky look like to astronauts? Black. What is the name of the Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi based in Delhi? Answer is Rajghat. From where did the first train run in India? Mumbai to Thane. In which city was the first metro rail service started in India? Kolkata. In which year did the railway start in India? 1853. Who was the first Indian astronaut? Rakesh Sharma in 1984. Who was the first woman Chief Minister of India? Sucheta Kripalani. Who was the first CM of Haryana? Answer is Bhagwat Dayal Sharma. When was the United Nations established? October 24th, 1945. Where is the headquarters of United Nations located? Answer is New York. Who was the first Secretary General of UN? Answer is Trigveli. At present, how many countries are having membership in United Nations? Answer is 193 countries. How many countries are members of the United Nations Security Council? Answer is 15 countries. How many countries are permanent members of United Nations Security Council? Answer is 5 countries. Where is the International Court of Justice located? The Hague, Netherlands. Secretary General of United Nations. Answer is General Antonio Guterres. How many years are temporary members of United Nations Security Council elected? For 2 years. Which country became the 193rd country in the United Nations? South Sudan. At present, how many states are there in India? 28. How many union territories are there in India at present? 8 union territories. Deficiency of which vitamin does not stop blood flow? Vitamin K. When is Hindi Day celebrated? Answer is on 14th September. By which article of the Indian Constitution Hindi was declared as the national language? Answer is 43. Who is the only Indian to win a gold medal in the Olympic Games singles event? Answer is Abhinav Bindra. How many years after the Olympic Games are held? 4 years. Olympic Games Tokyo 2020 will start on 23rd July 2021. When is International Human Rights Day celebrated? December 10th. Where is the famous Sitala Mata temple located? Gurgaon. How many districts are there in Uttar Pradesh? 75 districts. What breed of buffalo is famous in Haryana? Answer is Murrah buffaloes. Which state has the largest population of India? Answer is Uttar Pradesh. Where is Taj Mahal located in India? Agra. Which is the longest national highway in India? National Highway number 44.